Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we want to talk about how to use AI to do your product ad. You see some goods when you have a goods to sell, you have a product. Whether you are into you have a product, you produce a product and you want to sell. Instead of taking it to studio for photo shoot, you see some goods when they snap it, publicity is part of sales. When you don't publicize your goods well, people won't buy. So you have to make it attractive. So how do you do this with AI? Let's say this is my product there. I produce this thing now. This is a bottle. Some people are doing soap or any other thing, and you want to do a product ad for it. So what do? All you just need to do is snap the product. This is first shot. You can snap like different angle, maybe two or three pictures. So I've snapped one, then I'm snapping the second one now. Second one, yes. So let me snap another one now to make it three pictures. Yes. So now I've snapped the product. Now that I've snapped the product, what do? I go to my ChatGPT. I go to my ChatGPT. So when you go to your ChatGPT, you now upload the file. You upload the photo you snap. You upload it on ChatGPT. These are the photos. I choose the first one. Let me use the first one first. I will now give it a prompt. Create 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 a perfect studio product photo. Make it mind blowing. Make it mind blowing and pleasing to customers. So this is we are still on ChatGPT and Gemini. So it's from next week that we start video creation and other things. So we are still on. There are a lot of things you can do with your ChatGPT. So we are still trying to teach us the things you can do with your ChatGPT and your Gemini. So you can see it's creating image. You can use Gemini to create this as well. I told you Gemini used to create image faster, but let's just use ChatGPT. So it's creating image. Let's see the image is going to create for us. Yeah, image created. So now let's see the image created. So see the image ChatGPT has generated for us. It has removed the background. It has given it a better look. Can you see? Then you click on save to download. You can see, if you don't like this one, you can see say generate. If you don't like this one, you can say create a different style with a mind-blowing background. Mind-blowing background. Make it cinematic. I told you the power of prompting. It is your prompt that will determine what AI will give you. So now I've changed it. Of course, this one is okay, but I want to change. I want to give it a better prompt. I want to give it another prompt to give me a different design. So it's creating. Let's see what it's going to create. So can you see a different one now? You see the power of prompts. See the first prompt I gave it. The prompt is not well written. He gave me this. Now I feel like, oh, I need something better. So I told it to be cinematic. Can you see now? This is a different product ad now. Can you see? So you can just click on download. So now let's do for another one now. I snap two pictures. Let me say new chat. So now let me go and put the second image, or let me just put the two together. Let me put the two images together and say create a perfect create a perfect studio create a perfect product ad for this water bottle. So this is still, I'm still generating picture. We can still use this ChatGPT to generate a flyer for this. So if I want to generate, so it's telling me what it's going to do. So when I click on this, it's creating now. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to create for us. So see this now. I said create a product for this water bottle, create a perfect product. So can you see now? It gave me a prompt that I can use, because my command is not that strong. I made a mistake. Instead of create a perfect product ad, so I said create a perfect product. So now it gave me a prompt, but I did not use the prompt. I just say create. So I just said create. So what does it create? Now see the image it's created for me. I just said create. I did not use the prompt. So can you see now, it has created a product ad for me. So now let me now go and use the prompt, one of the prompts it gave me. So now let me use one of the prompts. So now it's creating now. Wait, or let me do it this way. Okay, let's see what it's going to create. It's creating now. So now we have created product image now. So now how can we use it to create flyer? Now let me go and upload from those product image that we did. So this is the new image that we did, right? I can select this one and say create a flyer. Create a flyer with, so create a flyer. I will now put business name, or business store. Business store will be tafa tafa mall, full stop. Then location will be, let me put location sango police barrack. Then I will now put phone number. That's phone number that they can call me. Phone number 0911627610. Then what again? We put address. Okay, let me change this location to address sango police barrack comma Ibadan. Phone number. What again are we supposed to put? We put the business store name, the business store. We put the address. We put the phone number. So let's put the price. Promo price 12,000 naira. 12,000 naira. So now this is the prompt now. Create a mind-blowing flyer for this product. I'm trying to make my prompt to be more detailed. So now this is the command: create a mind blowing flyer for this product, business store, Tafa Mall, address. So now ChatGPT is trying to confirm my address, so its telling me ensure stay fresh, stay stylish. So these are the things that he wants to write. Create. So these are the things, in case I want to edit anything, so that's why it has written it for me here. So now ChatGPT is creating. Let's see what it's going to create for us. So now let's see the result. Can you see? This is the, can you see? Wow, amazing. Can you see the flyer? Durable and stylish design, 12,000 naira only. So this is what you can do with ChatGPT, and you can do a lot more. So this is an example of a product ad with a product flyer. So if you sell like bag, you sell clothes, you sell jewelry, you sell wristwatch, or you are doing all this app, or you are selling medicine, or you are selling perfume, or you are selling wristwatch, anything you are selling at all, you can just snap it and use it and create product ad. I will show you many works I've done, and I'm collecting money from people, and I'm collecting my money. So this is a side hustle that you can be using to earn. You can work for big brand and be earning big money with this little knowledge. So that is how it works.